Hey, where is Arun yaar these days? I'm missing him so much.
अरे he is in Boston now ना, बड़ा आदमी बन गया है वो, happily married to Sheena.
ये वो वाली
हाँ.
Are you guys remember that Alibag trip we all went to? What fun it was, man.
Yeah, and I also remember all of us going to the beach at 6 in the morning to see the sunrise on a West Coast beach where only the sun sets. All thanks to you, Ankur.
And then we wrote down all the trigonometry formulas in the sand. I wonder if any one of them was correct.
My God, what the days those were. Remember that Trigno professor, Mr. Matthews, right? What a terror he was, man.
Yeah, Mr. Khadus. Arey, yaad hai? Remember how he had slapped me for not memorizing those formulas? It still hurts, man. Bhi dard karta hai.
Yeah, and all I can remember is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. For 1 hour. Unbelievable.
Thanks to all that, guys. I remember all those formulas now, yaar. काम में काम आता है मुझको. Hey, but anybody is still in touch with him?
No, I don't even know where he is. I forgot about him the day I left college.
Hey guys, speaking about Khadus, my boss is pinging me, man. He's even bigger Khadus than this guy. I'll have to log off. But this was good. Let's do this again.
Yeah, हाँ मैं भी चलता हूँ हाँ. नहीं तो रात को फिर जली हुई रोटियां खानी पड़ेंगी.
अच्छा.
Okay, see you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Mr. Matthew. Where are you, sir? Matthew, sir.
Coming. Who is this? Hello.
Hello, sir. How are you doing? This is Sanjeev from AstraZeneca. Do you have a few minutes?
I told you, no, I will take the vaccine. Why do you keep bothering me again and again?
No, sir. I'm your student. Your student, Sanjeev. Sanjeev Kulkarni from Somaya. I studied under you for 3 years, sir. I just work at AstraZeneca, so I am not the vaccine guy.
Yes. Sanjeev, my student. I'm really so sorry, beta. I could not recognize you. Everybody keeps on calling us these days for vaccine. And I thought it is one such call. But anyways, I'm happy to hear from you. You used to be one of the quieter students in the class, but the really bright one. And 98 batch, right?
You remember me, sir?
Khadus, bulakkad nahi. I may be harsh, but I'm not forgetful.
You're not Khadus, sir.
I know. You all used to call me Khadus. Sanjeev, we are all creatures of our habits. When I was young, I grew up in a poor family. My father was very abusive to us. I faced a lot of struggles in my studies. But I did not want my kids to struggle. So I took up many jobs, taught tuition. My knowledge was pure, but my habits, they were acquired. The stress, the anger, the beating, I got them all from my father. And I would sometimes even end up beating some of my students. And I'll feel bad. I will really feel bad. But I always remembered my good students like you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, but it's your teaching that is with all of us now. Sir, I personally fell in love with trigonometry and calculus, everything that I learned from you, and eventually got interested into research. And for the past 10 years, sir, I'm working as a chief data scientist at AstraZeneca labs here. Sir, you'll be proud to know that I have had a chance to be part of the vaccine making process currently. And sir, it is the mathematics that I learned from you that really helped us expedite this vaccine making process. I have fallen in love with this subject, sir, and I feel blessed that I got a chance to help humanity with my skills. All thanks to you, sir.
चलो अच्छा है. I thought because of my produced nature, no one liked my subject, but I'm so happy that you liked it and you have put it to such a great use. God bless you, my child.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm so sorry that I was not able to be in touch with you for all these years. So just the other day, all of us college friends got together and we just got talking about all the good times. We were talking about our teachers and aapki yaad aayi, sir. So I just immediately picked up the phone and searched your number and gave you a call, sir. So I hope I haven't bothered you.
My dear child, life is an equation where you are always trying to find the value of x. And in the process, we find the value of the present and discover the value of the relations. You have found it today. So complete the equation. I must take leave of you, my son. In the process of finding the x, I forgot about my present, my wife.
Sir, but please don't forget to take the vaccine.
I told you now, I'll take the vaccine. It is made by my student.
Thank you, sir.
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया